अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिवाइज करेंगे पंजाब सेल्स टैक्स एक्ट के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। लेक्चर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोगों में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने भी पीपीएससी के पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी में इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर और ऑडिट ऑफिसर के लिए अप्लाई किया हुआ है, सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स जो है वो मौजूद हैं, जिसमें इंग्लिश के पोर्शन को सॉल्व किया गया है। इसमें वोकैबुलरी, एसेंशियल एनालॉगीज, सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन, नरेशन, एक्टिव पैसिव, इंग्लिश के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़, अकाउंटिंग, ऑडिटिंग, फाइनेंस, पंजाब सेल्स टैक्स एक्ट, पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़, इस्लामिक स्टडीज़, ज्योग्राफ़ी जिसमें ज्योग्राफ़ी ऑफ पाकिस्तान और वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफ़ी, उसके साथ एवरीडे साइंस, उर्दू, करंट अफेयर्स और कंप्यूटर, इन तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स के एमसीक्यूज़ को कंपाइल किया गया है और यहाँ से आपकी 80 से 85% कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगी। जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी ये कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों तो जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है उस पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही सर आपको सैम्पल के साथ साथ जो पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह हैं वो शेयर कर देंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के लेक्चर को। इसमें हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट जो पंजाब सेल्स टैक्स और सर्विसेज एक्ट 2012 है उसके एमसीक्यूज़ को रिवाइज करेंगे। फर्स्ट है द पंजाब सेल्स टैक्स ऑन सर्विसेज एक्ट वाज इनेक्टेड ऑन 10th of June 2012. The act extends to the whole of the province of Punjab. Appellate tribunal means the tribunal established under section 62 of the act. An assessee is any person who is liable to pay tax under this act. The term board refers to the Punjab Revenue Authority (PRA). Default surcharge is the amount payable for the failure to pay tax by the due date. An economic activity includes any business, trade or manufacture carried out for profit or otherwise. A registered person is any person who is registered or is liable to be registered under the Act. Taxable service is a service listed in the second schedule of the Act. The value of the taxable service is generally the consideration in money received for the service. Sales tax is charged on the value of a taxable service at the rate specified in the second schedule. The responsibility to pay the tax primarily lies with the person providing the service. If a service is provided from outside Pakistan into Punjab, the person receiving the service is liable for tax. The standard rate of sales tax on services in Punjab is 16%. The reduced rate or specific rates are mentioned against specific services in the second schedule. Tax become due at the time when the service is provided or invoiced, whichever is earlier. A tax invoice must be issued by the registered person at the time of providing the service. Input tax is the tax paid by the registered person on goods or services used for business. Output tax is the tax charged by a registered person on the services they provide. The formula for tax payable is output tax minus input tax. Registration is mandatory for every person providing a taxable service whose turnover exceeds the prescribed threshold. A person who is not required to be registered can apply for voluntary registration. If a person fails to register, the authority can perform a compulsory registration. A registered person must notify the authority of any change in business name or address within 40 days. Deregistration occurs when a person ceases to provide taxable services. Every registered person must maintain records of services provided for a period of 6 years. The tax return must be filed on monthly basis. The due date for filing the monthly return is the 15th day of the following month. The due date for payment of tax is usually 18th day of the following month. A revised return can be filed within 120 days of filing the original return to correct omissions. Failure to apply for registration within the specified time carries a penalty of Rs 5,000 or 3% of the tax amount, whichever is higher. Failure to file a return by the due date results in a penalty of Rs 5,000 if filed within 10 days. The authority can appoint a chartered accountant to conduct a special audit of the registered person. The default surcharge rate is the interbank rate plus 2% per month. Any person who knowingly commits tax fraud is liable to imprisonment and a heavy fine. An appeal against the order of an officer of the authority lies with the Commissioner. The time limit for filing an appeal before the Commissioner is 30 days. An appeal against the decision of the Commissioner lies with the Appellate Tribunal. The authority can recover unpaid tax by attaching the bank accounts of the defaulter. The authority can also recover tax by stopping the clearance of any goods belonging to the person.